हेलो जय हिंद दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है विनय एंड यस अगेन आई एम बैक विद अनदर पेपर दैट इज सोल्जर जीडी गया एआरओ ऑफ 1 November 2020. So this batch particularly I am taking for South Indian students and that is the reason I'll be taking mostly in English. Okay, and later on when your examination जब बाकी लोगों की हिंदी मीडियम की आएगी तो हम अलग से हिंदी में भी बना देंगे. तो जनरली ये क्लास आज का मैं थोड़ा सा स्पेशली कर्नाटका के बहुत सारे एग्ज़ाम्स अभी हुए हैं यहाँ पर. फॉर एग्जांपल हसन रैली, हावेरी, बहुत सारे अलग अलग टाइप के मैनी रैलीज हैव बीन टेकन. सो आई एम सॉल्विंग द पेपर फॉर दो स्टूडेंट्स. ठीक है, सो दैट इट विल हेल्प. ओके, विदाउट वेस्टिंग द टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट द पेपर. Okay, 5 is added to twice of a number, it becomes 6, then the number is what? This is a simple question asked to you. 5 is added ಅಂದರೆ in basically 5 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ twice of a number. So 5 we have to add in twice of a number. So what is this twice of a number? I will write 2x. Okay, if the number I will consider the number as x, then 5 is added to 2 times of the number and becomes means what? Equal to 6. So 5 is added to 2 times of a number, the result becomes 6. We have to find the value of x. This will go from here to here, so this will become 6 minus 5 and 6 minus 5 is equal to how much? 1. And what is remaining here? 2x. So 2x is equal to 1. So x is equal to how much? 1 divided by 2, and 1 by 2 is nothing but half. So 0.5 is the answer for the question option number C. If the same question, if they would have asked same question ई प्रकार कर दे अंदर, सपोज क्वेश्चन को करेंगे हम चेंज, विल जस्ट चेंज द क्वेश्चन. 5 इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड करेंगे. 5 इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड, 5 इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम ट्वाइस ऑफ अ नंबर. So what will be the answer if the question is asked about subtracted? Common mistake students will do is 5 minus 2x. No, from के बाद में जो चीज़ रहता है the number something is there after from ಅದರ್ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಟ್ವೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ನಂಬರ್, ಇದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿರಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ವೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೀರಿ 2x, ರೈಟ್ 2x. ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ 5. 2x minus 5 result is equal to 6. Come on, let's solve the question here. 6 plus 5, this will become 6 plus 5, that is nothing but 11. So 2x is equal to 11, so x is equal to 11 by 2 and that's equal to 5.5. So I hope you understood what is the difference, basic difference between added and subtracted. Subtracted, just remember the value after from, whatever is there after from, that one is the biggest, write it first. After that, from that you have to subtract the starting part, minus 5, and the result becomes, what is the meaning of becomes? That is nothing but equal to. Okay, I hope you understood this question. Moving ahead with the next simple question. 35 meter per second into kmph. So 35 into, in yesterday's class I told you kilometer per hour, meter per second. Whenever unit conversion ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು 5/18 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 5/18, sorry 18/5. This thing you have to remember. So this is the conversion of speed which we have to remember. So what is given? Meter per second is given. We want kilometer per hour, so we have to multiply by 18/5. So 35 multiplied by 18/5, right? ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 18/5 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಂಟು 18/5, 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 18 into 7, that is 126 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. Where is the option? Yes, option number A, 126. Moving ahead to the next. 25% of 100, easy question. 25 by 100 into 100, that is nothing but 25. Okay, answer for the question is 25. Salary of a man is 20,000, the same was increased by 40%. Okay, 20,000 salary ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 14% ज़्यादा ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತದೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ? Okay, if 20,000 is the salary, so how much is increasing? 14% is increasing. So let us find 14% of 20,000. So 14% of 20,000, 14 2s are 28. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು 0. So this is nothing but increase. This is nothing but increase. Original salary 20,000, increase 2,800. So therefore the new salary ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Old salary plus extra increase 20,000 plus 20 to this thing 20,000 plus 2,800, that is nothing but, okay, sorry, this is there, that is 22,800 rupees. Okay, where is that option? 22,800, option number C. That's the answer. First you can use it. What is the remainder when 496 is divided by 6? 496 is the value ಗೆ 6 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ? ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 8s are 48. just observe, 1 is this 16, 6 2s are 12. Okay, 6 8s are 48, correct one. 6 2s are 12. How much is remaining? 4. So this is nothing but our remainder. Okay, what is this called as? Remainder. Okay, answer for the question is 4. Remember everyone, in your examination sometimes the question will be something like quotient, which is quotient, which is this. So you have to remember this is called as quotient. Quotient, quotient. What is this? This is called as dividend. Okay, what is this? 6, this is called as divisor. This is called as divisor. divisor, divisor. Because mostly in your previous paper even the questions have been coming on remainder, dividend, quotient and divisor. So you should remember these terms also. Moving ahead with the next, Raj bought an umbrella for 100 and sold it at a profit of 10. Easy question hai. Cost price of the article is equal to 100, purchase price andre cost price, sold it at a profit of, ಅಂದರೆ ಲಾಭ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಲಾಭ ಆಗಿದೆ? 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಲಾಭ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಸೊ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಸಿ ಪಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಪಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ 100 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 10 110. ಇದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ 100 ಲಾಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ 10 rupees. ಸೊ ಅದರ್ ಟೈಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅಂದರೆ 100 ಮೈನಸ್ 10 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅದೇ ಕೇಸ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ठीक है, so selling price will be less when the shopkeeper is getting a loss, his selling price will be less. But when the shopkeeper is getting profit, selling price will be more than the cost price. So 100 plus 10 in case of profit, loss ide andre CP minus loss. You have to remember this. Moving ahead, what is the mean of first 5 positive odd integers? First 5 positive odd integers means what? Odd numbers, even numbers, everything you have to remember. Odd numbers, you know, 1 3 5 7 and 9. These are nothing but the odd numbers, and I have taken totally 1 2 3 4 5. What is the mean? Means average of this thing. That's the question which is asked to you. So mean is nothing but average. Directly answer bhi hai iska. If you want direct, I will also tell you method number 2. This is method 1. Okay, mean formula is nothing but sum by number. Okay, sum divided by total number. Sum is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 divided by total numbers 5. When you add this, 1 plus 3 4 4 4 5 9 9 9 18 18 plus 7 25 25 divided by 5 is equal to, answer for the question is 5. Okay, one more method 2, method 3, both the methods will see. Method 2, method 3. Method 2, when the gap between the number is same. Can you see this? The gap is same. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಎರಡೆರಡು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎರಡೆರಡು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ whenever the gap is same, remember average is equal to first plus last upon 2. First number this, last number 9, So we will do 1 plus 9 divided by 2. 1 plus 9 ಅಂದರೆ 10. 10 by 2 ಅಂದರೆ basically 5. So answer for the question is 5. And last thing, method 3 is the formula method. Okay, everyone remember formula method क्या है? Average is nothing but mean, huh? Average and mean both are same. Mean, average both are same. Mean and average both are same. So average is of first n odd numbers is asked, then the answer for the question is n only. क्या है इसका आंसर? The answer for the question is n only. Average of first n odd numbers n. Average of first 10 odd numbers 10. Average of first 7 odd numbers 7. Average of first 5 odd numbers 5. Because n odd numbers average is n, so therefore the answer for the question is average of first how many? 5 odd numbers. Answer for the question is directly 5. So you have to remember this thing also. Okay, if the question is asked something like this, okay, if the question is asked something like this, everyone see here, if the question is asked something like this, average of first 10 even number. First 10 even number. So first even number, you know this, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Into first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10th number will be 20, right? This is given 2, 4, 6, 8 something till 20. So average या फिर mean both are same. Mean, average both are same. So average I told you difference is same. The difference is 2, 2, 2. So therefore first number plus last number divided by 2. You can use this short method to solve the question. 2 plus last number is 20 divided by 2. 20 plus 2, 22 by 2, that is nothing but 11. So answer for the question is 11. But if you are using the formula method, so formula also remember for even numbers, everyone note down. Method number 3, average of first n even number is n plus 1. So this is the formula, n plus 1 for even number. Now even number, how many even numbers? First 10 is given. So answer will be 10 plus 1, that is nothing but 11. So formula method, this is the direct method. Okay, many methods are there, you can use any. Next question is based on the simple interest. Let's simplify. Sum of money becomes 900. So here given thing is, first of all, two methods, method 1 and shortcut method, ibbaru method ಮಾಡೋಣ. Sum of money becomes 900 ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಅದರ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಏನಿದೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 900 rupees ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 4 years ಇದೆ. ಡನ್. ರೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 5% per annum. What we want, simple interest. What is asked? Sum is asked. And the principal. Sum andre what? Principal is equal to question mark. Method number 1 ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಮೆಥಡ್ 1 ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ, ನಾನು ಇದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಐ. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಪಿ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿದೆ, ಪಿ ಟಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 100, ಪಿ ಇಂಟು 3 ಇಂಟು ಆರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 100. ಸೊ ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಪಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟೀಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಲೆಂದಿ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ, ಇದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅದು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಇವನ್ ದ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಮೆಥಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. देखो, ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಹೌ ಮಚ್, 900. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೋರಿ. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಟೀಕೆ. ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಇದೆ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ, 4. ರೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 5. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 100 करो. ओके, सिंप्लीफाई. 5 1 5, 5 20 4 1 4, 4 5 20. नेक्स्ट व्हाट वी गॉट, 900 इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस एक्स बाई 5, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो 5x, ओके, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 5 इंटू एक्स 5x प्लस एक्स 5 इंटू एक्स 5x प्लस एक्स 6x, ठीक है. इफ यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग आई विल राइट इट अगेन. 900 इज इक्वल टू 5 इंटू एक्स 5x प्लस x divided by 5. But this is a lengthy method. Can you see this solution? Cross multiply here 5 into 900 here, that is 900 into 5, and this is 5x plus x, how much? 6x. How much it becomes? Okay, you can just simplify this directly. You can cancel if you want. Notary 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, 3 is remaining, 6 5s are 30, 6 0s are 0, 15 5s are 75, 750x. X andre principal 750, option number C. But the formula method is very lengthier. Let us see the shortcut method. What is the shortcut method? Shortcut method means unitary method you have to use. What is this? Remember again the same formula. Amount is equal to principal plus SI. Principal simple interest ಮತ್ತು compound interest ಲೆಸನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ principal ಯಾವಾಗೂ always 100% you have to take. Always principal should be assumed as 100%. ठीक है. Simple interest means what? How much extra you are getting from the bank, how much extra interest you are getting from the bank. ठीक है. See here 5% per annum, 1 year you will be getting 5%. For 1 year bank ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದೆ? 5% rate. So 4 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 5%, 5%, 5%, 5%, 5 4s are 20% ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. Understood? 1 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 5%. For 1 year the bank is giving you 5%. For 4 years 5 4s are 20%. So this is 20%. How we got this thing? Multiply 5% into 4. See here I will write again 5% into 4. Rate multiplied by time, that is nothing but simple interest. Okay, you have to write 100% plus 20%. How much? 120%. Okay, understood? So amount is equal to 120%. Simple. Use the unitary method. What is given in the question? Amount 900. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 120. 120 ಅಂದರೆ 900. 120 ಅಂದರೆ 900. ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್. ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 100. 100 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 100 ಇಂಟು 900 cross multiply divided by 120. 0 and 0 got cut. 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6 5s are 30, 2 1s are 2, 2 15s are 15 5s are 75, 750. That's the answer for the question here. 750. That's the answer for the question. Okay, back to this question. The perpendicular of a right angle triangle is 8 centimeter. So this is 8 centimeter. Right angle triangle is given. 8 centimeter is the perpendicular. Okay, this is for example triangle ABC. 8 centimeter is the height. Perpendicular, what do you mean by perpendicular? It is nothing but height. ये है हमारा 90 डिग्री. ಇದು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್? ಸೊ 8 centimeter. What it is? Perpendicular is given. Area is given 20 centimeter. So we know the formula of a triangle. Area is equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height. Substituting the things, area is equal to 20. Area is 20. Yes. Half. What is the base? Base is asked. So base x is asked. Okay. Height 8 centimeter. Simple question. 2 1s are 2 4s are 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So x is equal to how much? X is equal to 5. That is base of this triangle is 0.5 centimeter. Moving ahead with the next question. Okay, this type of series we have to finish. 28, 56 and all. If you observe here, all the number are getting doubled. 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 28 2s are 56, 56 2s are 112. So simple answer for this question. Moving ahead, next. What will be the sum of greatest and the smallest number of 4 digit? 4 digit, 4 digit the ದೊಡ್ಡest ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? Biggest digit number. So 9999, this is the largest, this is the greatest 4 digit number, right? ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ 111, no, smallest is not 11111, smallest is 1000. What we have to do, what is asked? Sum is asked. Sum is addition. Come on, 9 plus 1 10, 10,999, option number B. HCF of two number is 11, LCM is 693. So we know the formula, LCM into HCF is equal to first number into second number. Little fast I am doing because I have to shoot one more video also after this. LCF of two number is 11, LCM is 693. Okay, you can write like this anyhow. LCM is 693, HCF is equal to 11. First number ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 77 ಇದೆ. Second number other number find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. X 11 ones are 11, 11 sevens are 77, 7 ones are 7, 7 nines are 63. How much is remaining? 6. 7 nines are 63. So X is equal to 99, option number B. How many rectangular plots? So whenever they are asking this type of question, how many number of something in the geometry, in 2D mensuration and 3D mensuration, squares, ठीक है, cubes, cuboids, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ basically number of something is asked, number of small pieces. So remember the formula, number of rectangular plots. We want this. What you have to do? Big area divided by smaller area. Big area upon smaller area. You have to remember this. Same questions if they are asked in cube, cuboid, cylinders. Volume of bigger volume divided by smaller volume. Now this is asked in the rectangle question. Rectangle, squares, ಅಲ್ಲಿ mostly ಈ type question ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ area of the bigger divided by area of the smaller. Area of a bigger ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು bigger ಇದೆ 120 into 160, 120 into 160. ಯಾಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ 40/60 ಇದೆ, ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 40/60. ಕಮಾನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ. 60 ones are 40 ones are 40, 40 3s are okay, then 3 ones are 3, 3 20s are 60, then 20 ones are 20, 28s are 160. Answer for the question is 8. 8 ऑप्शन नंबर डी में प्रेजेंट है ये हमारा आंसर. मूविंग अहेड, मंडे आर क्वेश्चन, टाइम एंड वर्क लेसन में मोस्ट फेवरेट क्वेश्चन ऑफ एग्जामिनर. ठीक है, द फॉर्मूला फॉर दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन इज, आई टोल्ड यू इन द प्रीवियस क्लास ऑल्सो, MD इज इक्वल टू MD, M2 D2, here you write M1 D1. means how many men are there? 20 men. How many days they can do the work? 20 days. Second sentence, second part, how many days the same work can be done by? How many days? The question asked is how many days? X. How many men are there? 40 people. The question asked is what? These many men, they can complete it in 20 days. Then 40 men in how many days? That's the question asked to you. 20 ones are 22s are, 2 ones are 2, 2 10s are 20. This X is equal to how much? 20. This is the answer for the question. MDH is equal to MDH. Where is H? H R's kotilla. R's are not given, so you can leave it. But R's are given. For example, 20 people can do the work in 20 days, 8 hours daily. So H also you have to add. Remember, MDH. If R's is given, hours is given, so you have to add, you have to multiply hours also in the formula. Moving ahead, same question. 6 person finish in 7 days. MD equal to MD. 6 people, 6 men, how many days? 7 days. Okay. Here 21 persons, how many days? How many days is asked? Let us simplify from LHS to RHS. 7 ones are 7, 7 3s are, 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6. Answer for the question is 2. X equal to how much? 2. That's the answer for the question, option D. Now these are the reasoning questions. These are the questions of reasoning, quite easy or very easy. Here we have to write the code. How is the Perl code be coded? That's the question. PARL, how to write this in numbers. Now see here, P is written as what? 2. Okay, last word, last letter E is written as 4. Okay, A, here it is A. See here, A means second letter, second number ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1 ಇದೆ, 1 ಬರೀರಿ. 2 4 1 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ 2 4 1 ಇದೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋರು. If you want to do complete, you can do it. R is here, 1 2 3rd, 1 2 3 third number, so that is 5. L is here, so this is L, 3. 2 4 1 5 3, that's the answer for the question here. Complete this. 10 16 21 25 question mark. So when the number series is increasing slowly, find out the difference between the series. 10 and 16, what is the gap? 6, means 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Similarly 16 plus 6, no 16 plus 5, 16 plus 5 21 है, and then 21 plus कौन सा नंबर? 21 plus 4 25, तो 25 plus basically हो जाएगा 3 28. This is the answer for the question, option number this. Directions question. Okay, directions, distance and direction. Mohan walked 4 km towards east. Remember, direction is asked in this question, so remember this directions also. First of all, what are these direction? East, this is west, this is north, this is south. Okay, so let us start. Mohan started 4 km east. Mohan started from here, 4 km he is going east, towards east direction. Then he turned his right. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ರೈಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ರೈಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೌನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ರೈಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ? 3 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ he is walking. After turning right he is walking 3 km. After that again he turned right. From this position again right means imagine yourself here, again right turn means your right turn will be this side. Okay, how much he is going then? 4 km. From here to here he is going 4 km. Okay, 4 km. Then after this he turned back. From this position again he turned back means from this direction exactly ulta, reverse. So where he is facing? After this he is turning back means he is looking here. Now he is looking here, right? So this direction is what? This is direction east. So therefore the answer for the question is east. Okay, if suppose the question asked is what is the shortest distance from his starting position, shortest distance question ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಇದರ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 km. Shortest distance from his home to the final position ಇದು question ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಅಂದರೆ 3 km ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. You have to tell 3 km if they ask what is the shortest distance. Moving ahead with the next. Okay, here also they can ask one more question. What they can ask? See here, 4 km 3 km, they can also ask this question. He went 4 km, then 3 km. What is the shortest distance from his house to the final position? Shortest distance ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೇ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಟು ದ ಫೈನಲ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್? By using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem you have to apply, that is hypotenuse square is equal to p square plus b square. Otherwise remember the triplets 3 4 5. So two ways you can do the question. One is you can write the hypotenuse h, this is perpendicular, this is base. In a right angle triangle, remember Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? H square is equal to p square plus b square. Perpendicular ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 3 square. Base ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 4 square. 3 3s are ಎಷ್ಟು? 9. 4 4s are how much? 16. 9 plus 16 is how much? 25. So therefore if they are asking this question, h square is equal to how much? 25. So therefore h is equal to square root of 25. Square root of 25 ಅಂದರೆ 5. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ 25 ಬರುತ್ತದೆ? Which number square is 25? 5 square. So 5 is the answer for the question here. Final question is from the ranking topic of reasoning. Ranking. So in ranking lesson you have to remember the easiest simple formula. What is the formula? total persons is equal to top plus bottom minus 1. See here question, Kareem's rank is 15th from the top. From the top his rank is 15th. Okay, total students class ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 49. So 49 students are there in this class. Okay, question asked is rank from the bottom. Rank from the bottom ಅಂದರೆ x ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, minus 1. Come on, 15 minus 1, 14 plus x, this is 49. 14 will go this side, so x will become 49 minus 14, 49 minus 14, 39, 35. So how much it will be? 35. So x is equal to 35, 35, 35. Option number C ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. So with this we have completed all the sessions of this thing. I mean all the questions of this previous year paper. After this I will also solve one more paper of Jabalpur Rally 2020 original maths paper. So thank you each and everyone for watching this. Share with your friends. Thank you everyone. See you. Bye bye.